Hellcat Slick, aka Slick Rick, aka Ricky Bobby. If you're not first, then you're last on Ricky Bobby, bro. Yeah, man. What's going on, man? It's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Finna bring y'all another video, man. Make sure y'all go and like this video, because I'm instead of bringing bangers to the video, another teaching method coming to it, man. So as you see, we got Ghost Hood Pop, and we got a toolbox sitting up here. What are we doing? Are we taking out the supercharger today? We taking out the cold intake? We pulling out some pullers? What are we doing? Are we even taking out the whole engine right now, man? Y'all drop down in them comments. Y'all let me know, what is this toolbox about to do to Ghost? You just already know something coming with a banger, man. If you watched the last video, you already know what's finna happen right now. I got my little screwdriver. We finna get to work. But yeah, man. So pretty much, let me show y'all what I got in store for y'all. All right, shit, car a little dirty, man. Look, if y'all looking to sponsor your boy for washing the car, hit me in my DMs, man. But oh, looky, looks what we got here. Hold on, let me grab this box right here. If you don't know, this is what we know. Just matter of fact, I'm gonna make it easier for y'all. Y'all see JLT, y'all see performance. That's all you need to know. Oh man, woo, we finna breathe now. Look at that. Oh yeah, we finna get a whole lot of air in this thing right here, man. All right, so let me go on and jump into this install real quick, because I ain't got too much time. This should be pretty quick. Shouldn't even take that long. What we gotta do, I never installed one before, but I mean, just looking at it, hope I don't mess nothing up. I really hope I don't mess nothing up, man. I'm gonna start off with the easy tag. Make sure you pay attention when you unplugging things at. Something else must got it. Oh, it's a lip. There we go. You take that off. And right here, you know, they put this original one in there. Still look good to me. Original filter. Right there. It'll be up for sale. Anybody want to purchase the Hellcat one, man? So let me see. Next thing I'm pretty sure I have to do, I gotta get the Hellcat box out of here. How I do that, I have no idea. Oh, look at that. Screw right there. So whatever. What else is holding this thing in place? Oh, they got little ridges on here.
A few moments later. One hour later.
They make it seem like it's a bottom thing holding on to. That ain't that. Oh, okay. It's a direct type.
2 hours later.
Fit in here, that's why. You gotta take, if you gotta take the bumper out to get, you shouldn't have to take no bumper out to get to this. Cause what it is.
One eternity later.
Throw it on back in here. drops down. You know, it basically goes like this. But they got some extra parts on here. Yeah, you know it can't go like that. So it's only one way that it fits. So you just throw that thing on in there like that. What am I hitting over here? Yeah. I don't know if this was cover. They're supposed to go somewhere. Yeah, so we gotta take all of this off. I feel like it goes on here like this, but that means something has to plug in like here. Does this gasket go with it? Rotate it down to protect the wires. Oh, for the filter. Then I just throw this, push this back in right there. Because this, okay, so then somehow. Alright guys, so I pretty much got it halfway on here. So let me walk through pretty much how I do it. So y'all saw me take it out, so I'm not even gonna go over that again. But pretty much how it is, you got a screw here, it's like 4 screws around it, and then you just gotta pull the stock box out. So once you do that, like I said, you don't have to use the 2 of them. I put it on there because you know I don't want mine, I don't want it to go nowhere. So you see how it's wiggling like that? I'm gonna tighten that back up again. So the next thing you do, so the plug that came off of right here, your sensor valve that pretty much tracks the air, this is it right here. So what you do, you connect this little bitty piece to it, And then, let me see if I can tap my light on there. You can see it sitting off right there. All right, so once you pretty much connect that, okay, so let me make sure I got it connected. All right, so that's good. It's a little wiggly. I don't know if it's supposed to be wiggly like that, but it's in there. And that's pretty much how you get the feel. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm throwing this on there, and that's pretty much wrapping up shot. Now this part right here, no idea where it's supposed to go. I'm assuming it goes right here, in case you gotta go farther than what you need to go. I didn't see it on my instructions from right here. It don't look like it's on my instructions nowhere. That long pretty hole look like it's right there, but I don't think that's actually it. Is this it right here? Y'all drop down these comments and let me know, man. I did this thing freestyle, really not even looking at it, but see the holes. This hole is supposed to go to. I'm thinking this is for 2019, since you know my car only on 2017. Well, there it is. Got a picture of it. So it's that long hose that's supposed to go over there. So it's a long hose supposed to go from here to over there, but over there don't look like. Yeah, over there don't look like what I got right going on right here. So alright, so pretty much this is how you do it. So I'm gonna throw this thing on there. Y'all pray for me one time. Make sure that this fits in there perfect and I don't get no check engine light on my car when I throw it on there. So let's go and finish up the install. So let me go and set y'all up right. Pretty sure y'all gonna wanna see this. So let me set y'all up right. Like that. All right, man, make sure you wipe down the inside up, get all that dust and mold out, so when you crank the car up, it doesn't breathe none of that nonsense. Now this is the dust cover that goes on it, that goes up here. I live in, I need to put it on there so all this dust stuff just don't fall in there. So that's gonna be my next thing I do, man. I'm gonna throw this on there real quick. Thing up and pray to God we ain't got no engine light. I hear the difference already. Yes, indeed. We hear the difference already in that wine. So we finna go on and do the install up here, man, just to be on the safe side. Make sure, double check, wiggle this around, wiggle that around. Make sure all this is tight. Got a nice little air breathing. And we in there. All right, man, so you just seen the install from your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Like I said, man, from the previous video, hit me up. I can do anything, man. Got my hands dirty. I ain't done this install in about 30 minutes without even looking at the instructions, man. Real simple and easy. Anybody can do it, man. But like I said, I got more mods coming to the car. This right here makes my Hellcat look twice as hard, bro. Just look at that, man. Just look at that. Hey, lucky I couldn't get a red one to match my inside of my guts. But guess what? I'm gonna find one. I'm gonna put that red one on there, man. But also, like I said, when you start doing engine mods and people want to start testing you, this might be the last time that y'all see underneath the hood. Cause I went from stock to stock-ish, and then everything gonna be after that. It's gonna be a little bit more ish than it's gonna be with stock. What? Oh nah. Oh nah. But man, like I said, man, like this video, comment y'all thoughts, comments on just did I do a good job, bad job, what y'all think, man. Comment on the next mod that y'all think I'm gonna even bring to the channel, man. So your boy Hellcat Slick, Ricky Bobby. If you're not first, you're last on Ricky Bobby, bro. I'm out of here.